Embracing the journey, understanding pregnancy stages. Pregnancy is, well, a special time. Your body changes to help your baby grow. There are 3 stages called trimesters. Each trimester lasts about 3 months. Knowing about these stages helps you understand what's normal. You can also prepare for changes in your body and emotions. The first trimester. Early days and crucial developments. The first trimester is a time of rapid development for your baby. Your baby's organs, like the heart and lungs, are forming. You might experience morning sickness, fatigue, and tender breasts. It's important to take prenatal vitamins and eat healthy foods. The second trimester. Embracing the glow and preparing for more. The second trimester often brings relief from early pregnancy symptoms. You might feel the baby move, which is called quickening. Your belly will grow and you might experience backaches. Continue eating well and stay active with safe exercises. In the third trimester, your baby gains weight and prepares for birth. You might feel more tired and experience shortness of breath. It's important to attend all prenatal appointments. Pack your hospital bag and finalize your birth plan. Eating healthy foods is crucial throughout your pregnancy. Focus on fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. Prenatal vitamins provide essential nutrients for you and your baby. Talk to your doctor about safe exercises, like walking or swimming. As your due date approaches, prepare for your baby's arrival. Set up the nursery with a crib, changing table, and clothes. Install a car seat and learn how to use it safely. Stock up on diapers, wipes, and other baby essentials.